Welcome to RPA Unicorn, an intelligent automation company specializing in RPA, AI, and Microsoft Power Platform solutions. Our mission is to help businesses streamline operations, eliminate repetitive tasks, and boost productivity through innovative technologies. With expertise in tools like UiPath, Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI, and GPT integration, we deliver the scalable and reliable solutions organizations need to accelerate their digital transformation. At RPA Unicorn, we specialize in delivering end-to-end robotic process automation RPA, AI-powered automation, and Microsoft Power Platform solutions. Our focus is entirely on helping organizations eliminate repetitive manual work and seamlessly streamline their everyday business operations. At RPA Unicorn, our expertise covers a full suite of digital transformation solutions. We specialize in robotic process automation using UiPath and Power Automate, alongside advanced AI and GPT integration for smart workflows and decision support. By leveraging the Microsoft Power Platform, we deliver end-to-end process optimization, interactive Power BI dashboards, and intelligent document processing like OCR and data extraction. Finally, we connect your entire ecosystem with seamless API integrations across ERP and CRM platforms, maximize efficiency through Microsoft 365 automation, and build AI-powered chatbots to elevate your operations. Moving on to the industries we serve, RPA Unicorn delivers tailored automation solutions across a highly diverse marketplace. Our expertise spans critical sectors like banking, financial services, insurance, and healthcare, as well as core operational fields including manufacturing, retail, logistics, supply chain, and real estate. We also drive efficiency in essential business functions such as customer service, HR, accounting, and IT. From public sectors and education to specialized industries like telecommunications, automotive, pharmaceuticals, and agribusiness, our intelligent automation is designed to fit the unique demands of virtually any vertical. Let's take a look at the technologies we use to drive these results. At RP Unicorn, we build our solutions using industry-leading platforms centered around UiPath and the full Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem, including Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI, and Microsoft Copilot. We also leverage SharePoint and Microsoft 365 for seamless collaboration, alongside advanced AI and GPT integrations. By combining these with cutting-edge OCR, intelligent document processing, and custom API integration capabilities, we ensure your business automation is robust, modern, and highly connected. Why do clients choose RPA Unicorn? It's simple. We focus on delivering reliable, scalable, and business-driven automation solutions. We actively prioritize quality, transparent communication, timely delivery, and long-term partnerships that generally help businesses save time, reduce costs, and improve overall operational efficiency. If you're looking to automate your business processes with the latest AI and automation technologies, we would love to work with you and look forward to helping your business grow with intelligent automation. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. We appreciate the opportunity to introduce RPA Unicorn and share how we can support your automation journey. If you have any questions or are ready to transform your business operations, we would love to connect with you. Thank you once again and have a wonderful day.